Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Bafowethu. Hayi ake sixoxeni webafowethu. Okokuqala nje njengoba nibona omasipala beneyinkinga ezingaka. Uthola omasipala njalo bethola ogcopho kumhloli wamabhuku uAuditor General. It's because zonke lezi ifundiswe esihloniphayo iningi lazo like 90% wabantu abasebenzela omasipala, they've never acquired their qualifications in a correct order or in a legit way. That's the truth. Okufanele niyazi. The reason why abantu abafundile can't stand up and fight for the country, it's because thina sazi ukuthi bafundile, whereas azange bephasa ngisho ukuphasa. Bakokotela bathenga ama lecturer, bathenga wonke umuntu. That's why they can't stand up. You can't tell me you are educated but you can't stand up for the country. What were you getting educated for? What's the reason to go to school? Why are you being diplomatic about a situation that doesn't need diplomacy? Nize nazi bonke laba bantu ababatshazwa ukuthi bafundile. Sino Professor Inqwaba la ezweni who will crack your head when you are sitting with them in the boardroom with bombastic words and ununderstandable explanations, long explanations, but they can't stand up for the country. Niyazwa bafowethu. So sinenkinga yabantu akuthiwa bafundile kodwa ayikho into abayifundele. Into abayifundele is to look down on us. Esisagcine iculture yethu, esisalwela iculture yethu, esisalwela ukuthi ubuntu bethu thina abantu abamnyama, thina abantu abangamanguni bume. You will never see abantu abafundile marching there. They only criticize. That's the only thing they do. They only criticize and they only look down on abantu abafana nathi, where I'm doing things that they cannot do. They can't even make babies. Indoda yonke yomZulu ibe nezingane eziwu2. Umsangano wento. Saba ngisho ukuzala umuntu kodwa uthi ufundile. Wawufundelani? The reason why the politicians can't implement anything, it's because abayiphili impilo eyiqiniso. Lento abayiveza beyiyo lapha kabayona. Abafuni kuba ngamadoda. Ngeke kubafice emakhaya kanje ayivuka ekseni indoda ikhathazekile, ikhathazeke ngezwe, yenza ivideo ekhuthaza abantu bakithi ukuthi lwelani izwe ingane zakithi, I will be there with you. Ngeke besebenza, but they calling themselves abaholi. What are you leading? What are you leading, bafowethu? Now we've stood up. We've stood up, bafowethu. We are fighting for the country. We are asking for donations. We are asking for support. No, you won't get support. You'll get a leader coming out and saying, no, don't touch the foreigners. We need to document them. Document them where, bafowethu? Document them where? You unomholi. Umholi who's aspiring to be the president of the country, saying you can't deal with this thing, you can't defeat this thing. Kusho umholi athi lento ngeke isalungiseka, ngcono laba bantu sivele sibagcine bahlale la ngaphakathi. Do you know what message you would be sending out there to the world? You know ukuthi what damage are you causing? Ngokusho leyo nonsense leyo uthi abantu abadocument behlale la ngaphakathi befike ngendlela engekho emthethweni. You are telling me ukuthi you want to be the president of the country, but you are saying there is no hope in the border. I'm telling you, ngunkosikhona wakondabandaba, give me 5 million. Give me 5 million and see ukuthi abantu bangangena la eSouth Africa. Give me 5 million, only 5 million for food only. I will take insizwa mina la. Sihambe siyohlala eborder. For 3 months, nobody is going to come into this country. No one will come to this country. Ngihleli lapha eborder mina. Umholi aphumele obala, umholi athi sesehlulekile atshele izwe, because lento yokuthi bethi let's document these people and keep them in the country, it's because they are not even implying to these ones laba abancane abagunda inwele nani. These leaders are drug dealers. They are drug users. They are with these people abadayisa ama-drugs. Empeleni, they don't mean all these Mozambican and Zimbabweans. They mean the Nigerians who are their partners in their farms where they are cooking drugs. Umholi wonke athe abantu bokufika abanikezwe amaphepha anikwe kanjani umuntu? Sazi ngani lo muntu ukuthi njobe ethi ungaseZimbabwe ngowaseZimbabwe ngempela? Sikwazi ngani lokho? Sazi ngani lo muntu njoba ethi ungaseMozambique waseMozambique ngempela? When you are saying document these people, what do you mean? How are you going to verify that this person is calling himself uJonathan ngempela? That is very stupid of these leaders who are saying document these people. You have stupid leaders. They are dumb leaders with just the money from the drug cartels because they have bodyguards. I dare you your leader. Let him go alone, leave the bodyguards, let him go alone and walk lapha eHillbrow and see ukuthi abantu bakithi what do they go through every day. Let your leader tell him, if he is a leader like me, I can walk and make noise there. I can walk and make noise a point. Ngicela nibacela abaholi benu nithi abashiya ama-bodyguard behambe bodwa eyowalka lapha epoint ngabo-9 ebusuku. Then we will call him a leader. Musani ukusichaphaza nini. Niyasichaphaza akho umuntu ozodocumentwa la because uHome Affairs sesizwile ukuthi 180 million wemali emoshiwe kuthathwa imishini yakwa-Home Affairs kuyokwenzelwa abantu ama-ID emakhaya. Nizosikhulumela imbumba nje lapha. Sukumani bantu base-South Africa, sukumani sikhona thina sizonihola. Akusiba abaholi laba bantu. They've never completed school. They've never went to the proper university. Ama-qualifications abo bayabhalelwa ngisho ama-test. That's why uthola kwamasipala umuntu kuthiwa une-PhD, umuntu kuthiwa une-masters, kodwa akakwazi kwenza lutho. Udlulwa yimi engingenazo lezo zinto lezo. Ngoba yini? Iqiniso alikho. Lento athi uyiyi akayona. Why? Nanifundela ini? Yini naniyifundela? Ezonto inkabi. Sizolungisa lelizwe siyeze eGoli. We will barb wire, we will razor wire the whole Hillbrow, the whole point, and we will search it. Thina sizinsizwa, we will fundraise and we will buy a lot of razor wire and a lot of barbed wire. We will come and barb wire Hillbrow. We will come and barb wire a point, and we will search it for the week. Nobody's going to come out of that place.
Uphakela was talking about this issue of documenting foreigners, which I think was said by Julius Malema. He's the one that came up with this thing to say, you know what, Ne, let's document these foreigners. And Yena is actually against all these things to say, no, how can you come here and tell me that we have to document foreigners? And if this foreigner is from Malawi, how are we going to know that he's really from Malawi, he's really from Zimbabwe, he's really from Nigeria? And he actually touched on something that, that really stood out to me, which is like those educated people, they will not stand with you. You will actually sit with them on these boardrooms and they will say like those big words and, but they will not come forward to help fix the country. And for me, I just feel like with this one, obviously there are people who will stand with you, and there are also people who will not stand with you for their own reasons. Maybe they're also busy with their own lives, and a lot of things are happening, and you cannot expect everyone to stand by you just because when you see a different perspective when it comes to your country. Obviously, you believe that we should fight foreigners. Trust me when I say there are also South Africans that don't believe in this, that do not support this. They're actually against this whole match and match thing. And the other thing he talks about leaders, these leaders, I shame. And when he said that, I actually remembered this other video that I saw whereby this man was talking about leaders from South Africa actually having investments like in these foreign countries. And for me, I feel like you are on your own, because there is no way that if I'm investing in Nigeria, you will come here and tell me, no, let Nigerian people go. While I know very well that I do have investments that side. And if I stand with you, if I come publicly and stand with you, I will lose those investments. And I will lose everything that side. I will not do that. Unfortunately, this one, I feel like South Africans are on their own. Yes, no leader is coming to save you, no leader is coming to fight with you.